1 Minute Turkish, Lesson 1.
Merhaba, my name is Şebnem.
And my name is Mark. We'd like to welcome you to this course from the Radiolingua Network. During this course, we are going to be teaching you the absolute basics of Turkish. In each lesson, we'll spend roughly 1 minute learning the language, and then you'll have time to go over what you've learned.
Turkish is a language spoken by over 63 million people worldwide. In addition to being an official language in Turkey, it is also spoken in many other countries in Eastern Europe and former Soviet republics, and is the language of the many Turkish communities throughout the world.
1 Minute Turkish is an introductory course, and we won't be teaching you everything you need to know. But the most important thing is that if you listen to our 10 lessons, you'll really be able to communicate with Turkish-speaking people. It's very easy to learn Turkish, and we hope you enjoy these lessons.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In this first lesson, we're going to learn to say hello and goodbye, two very important phrases in any situation. To say hello, you say,
Merhaba,
listen to this again.
merhaba,
Try saying it after Şebnem.
merhaba.
Now let's learn how to say goodbye in Turkish. As in most languages, there are a number of ways to say goodbye, but one that will work in most situations is
Güle güle,
listen again to how Şebnem pronounces this.
güle güle,
Try it one more time. Can we hear it again, Şebnem?
güle güle.
Now, güle güle is a standard way of saying goodbye, but if you're leaving a room, then people will say güle güle to you, and you should use a different phrase to reply. Listen to this phrase as Şebnem says it.
Hoşça kalın,
Try that again.
hoşça kalın,
One more time.
hoşça kalın.
So if you're leaving a room, you can say güle güle, and you will hear in reply,
Hoşça kalın. Time's up. Well done.
That's all for this program of 1 Minute Turkish. We'd suggest that you listen again just to get used to the sounds of the language and to make sure the words really stick in your head. Join us again soon for more Turkish. In the meantime, goodbye, or, as you can now say in Turkish,
Güle güle.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.